Hi guys, I hope you guys are cool. I'm really glad with the weather this morning. It's not hot. After yesterday weather was so hot. But this morning it's so like calm. As in there's cold but not that cold, but it's still better than yesterday. So I even opened all the windows. I opened everything for fresh air to come in. I've opened the window I think for about 2 hours now because I woke up around 5 o'clock. I opened the window immediately, or more than 2 hours safe, and this I think 7:30 or so. So now I just want to do one or two things because Azad is still sleeping and he's still going to nap for like 1 hour, 30 minutes more. So guys, I want to update you guys about what I told you guys about me looking for a friend. Anyway, I just like smiling. I actually met a lady, and the type of friend I'm looking for, you'll be like, is this girl, is she mad? No, I'm not. Is she trying to select friend? No, I'm not, but I'm looking for a friend like a mom like myself. I don't want to make friend with single. I'm not saying making friend with single person, not like the single mother. No, I mean I don't want to make friend with someone that is not married. You understand me? Because what are we going to be discussing? What are we going to be talking about? You understand me? The friend I had in Italy, which I called my best friend, that was actually single. You understand? So not like she did me bad or nothing, but yeah, in Germany you have to make friend like mom like yourself because there's a lot for you to talk about. There is a lot for you to talk about. I mean, kid aspect, you understand? So me trying to look forward to pour or ask question about, oh, your kids school, did they do this, did they do that? I can't ask someone that does not have kids, you understand? I'm not trying to shade or uh, put, as how will I put it, bring anybody down. Or that is what me I feel like. If I want to have a friend, I should have a friend like a mom like myself, even though if it's one kid. So I saw her, we greeted each other. I asked her, does she have kids? She said yes, she has. I was so glad. Hmm. Okay, we entered the train. We were talking. That was when I knew I've not seen the friend I'm looking for yet. Yes, that was when I knew. Not like she's bad or not like her aspect of talking is bad. No, but I saw some things which I can't say here, you understand me? Which I saw, I was like, no, you still have to keep on seeing. You understand? None of us is perfect. You understand me? I'm not saying I'm good. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not saying my character is so good, but when you see the red flag, immediately just step back. That is that kind of person I am. If I see the red flag, I don't say let me just let me manage. No, because I don't keep a lot of friends. I'm a kind of person, I don't know how to do three friendship or four friendship at a time. You understand me? Then I always take my patience like to choose who I call my own friend because if I'm your friend, I don't take you as a friend, I'll take you as my sister. So, like people like us that have that kind of character, if you want to choose a friend, you have to be careful. So, immediately we were talking inside the train and I saw it, I was like, no, you know, you're not there yet. I'm not there yet. So that is it. I just said, let me update you guys about the hunting. We are hunting for friendship together because I told you guys from the beginning, and my husband has been saying, like, oh, Tinu, you need to make friend. You need to make friend. You need to do this. You need to do that. Because you can't be alone in the house if I go to work or do this. You need to communicate with people. And in my class, I'm the only black. I'm the only black, no black in my class. So that is it. If I see someone that is not black, I will, but I just got to this country. In Italy, I have Italian friends, you understand? So I just got to this country. I need to read them, know their character, know how they behave before me jumping into someone that is not black. So we are still hunting for that friend. We are still on the hunt. So that is it, guys. I'm meant to step out now with Azad, but looking at the weather, I think it's going to rain. So I checked the weather on my phone. So it's telling me it's going to rain around 10 o'clock, and I don't want to risk it because of Azad. So I'll have to sit down and check what the weather is going to look like around 10:30, 11. I don't know if I'm still going to step out or not. It depends how the weather looks like, but I just pray the weather is uh calm and not raining so much so I could step up because I've already made that plan of going out with Azad today before Alimat and Aliami before they return back from school. Hmm? How are you? Show up, ma. park. Alimat is back from school. She came to meet us at the park. I told her like we'll be at the park when she closed from school. She should come over to the park. She should not go home. So I went to Aldi. Wanted to get corn. I went late because you have to go early in the morning if you want to buy corn then. I went late. They've already emptied the corn basket. So I'll have to try again maybe tomorrow, next tomorrow. I don't know yet. So Alima is with Azad. They are playing. Me, I'm just here relaxing. I want to run and do 1 or 2 editing. So that is it. We're out. See Azad, look at his leg. Look at his head. This boy poured sand. Oh my God, on his head. Oh yeah, let's go. This is the car Azad used to carry all of us home. This is the car. Azad is using this car to take us home. Oh yeah, let's go, Azad. So guys, the kids, they've taken their baths. They're in the sitting room. I just want to hide anytime you see me in this kitchen. Just now I'm hiding so I can finish my food with no disturbance. That is what I'm doing. I'm hiding here to finish my dinner. Where is sweet potato? I'm looking for one that is not. This plate is so good.